It was really about maximizing livable space where the family could spend time together. And here in southern Arizona, that means either air conditioning or shade when you're outside. So we built a huge covered patio, nice view of the mountains, where we could cook, hang out, read, listen to music, or watch a game on the TV here. And the next logical step was to kind of remove the barrier between the two spaces with the living room right next door here. So we picked the fold-a-door system that allowed us to just move in and out between the two spaces pretty seamlessly. When designing the doors, I was a little worried, I wouldn't use them as much as I thought I would, past the honeymoon phase, figuring it might be a burden to open and close them. However, now that I'm living with them, I realize it just takes seconds to operate them. So sometimes I'll open them up for as few as 5 minutes just to let some fresh air into the house or capture a nice sunset on the mountains from inside the kitchen. And not to mention, having a swing door as your normal operable everyday door is a game changer compared to a slider when you're maybe carrying in a hot pizza from the pizza oven on the peel. So it's really nice, having the system the way it is. I did a lot of research through social media trying to find the best value, in a folding door or sliding door system. And you can imagine a lot of these systems end up in some pretty high-end homes. And with that comes some pretty high-end prices. And once you start adding a lot of optional features like thermally broken aluminum or trending colors or other upgrades, the prices start scaling, pretty quickly. And so as I compared, different options, it became pretty clear to me that ezfoldadoor was the best value for the money, especially as you started to add those upgrades. We were pretty social people and enjoy hosting parties for football games and such, and opening the doors just changes the feel of the house in an incredible way. It just allows guests to flow naturally inside and outside with no restriction, like there isn't even a wall there. And there's never that moment where I have to say, please excuse me, don't stand in front of the doorway. Now the doorway is my entire back of my house practically. The ezfoldadoor system has really transformed the way we live in the house, as well as the way we host when we have guests over, taking advantage of the great weather we have here most of the year in southern Arizona, as well as the great view we have every day.